What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about this article I was reading about 4 no-brainer stocks to buy if Donald Trump wins in November. If you're new, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So I got this article pulled up from Motley Fool. Talk about 4 stocks to buy if, of course, Donald Trump wins in November. You know, election day is coming up, November 3rd. I'm sure everybody got their picks between Trump or Biden. Pretty good article. I'm going to talk about real quick. Number one, talk about ExxonMobil. I think Trump is a big supporter of of oil, but they said this might be a good buy. I feel like ExxonMobil been on a low, almost down 47%, but we'll see how things goes. I think that should be a good company to invest in. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think about ExxonMobil. As you scroll down, talk about Jazz Pharmaceuticals. It's a pretty good company. For the most part, I think this been also down about 6.9%. But on the bright side, this has some good new products coming up on the rise, so I'll keep a lookout for that one. So let me know what you guys think about Jazz Pharmaceuticals. You scroll down a little bit more, talk about Etsy. Now, I think this one right here is a good buy. I believe it's very profitable. Let's see, U.S. spends, number one in economy. Yeah, so Etsy, this should be a good one. Shares the company are almost at 240% year to date. That's pretty good. So I definitely like Etsy. Facebook, social media kingpin, where you know that it's definitely a good buy. You know, I guess over the last decade, Facebook revenue been up about say about 20%. Pretty good one. Continue low corporate tax rates under Trump. Also working in Facebook's favor. So yeah. So we got Facebook. We got Jazz Pharmaceuticals, Etsy, Exxon. So yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think about these 4 stocks. You think these will be a good buy to buy in November if Trump wins? Yeah. So yeah, I just want to get in real quick talking about this article from the Motley Fool. I'll leave a link below. You guys can check it out. Let's say if you're new, subscribe, like, and let's join my journey.